announcement before this video starts. If this video reaches 50 views, I will post a song that I made myself. Well, it's sort of a rap, but still, I will post a song, and the title is gonna be called Electric Beats. So yeah, if this video gets 50 views, I will post Electric Beats. Also, the theme of this song is sort of like a blast to the future, because the song is when I have like 20 subs, and yeah. What is up, guys? My name is G4 Electric King, and today we're back with another video, and today is about a new chapter, which is the art of 3D printing. That's right, guys. I got a 3D printer in my house. And yeah, it is the IIIP Monoprice Maker Select 3D Printer Volume 2. Alright, so let's go over the basics. So this stuff is pretty much like the ink, except it's plastic. It's PLA, the most basic kind you can find. Comes in several different colors, and in this case it's black. Second one is this, which is like the main, like the brains of everything. Monitor, selection thing, it clicks, instructions, blah blah blah, boring stuff. And then when you turn it on, it lights up. Now it says, what it's saying is IIIP. You can't really see it very well since, yeah. Hang on, I'll try to make it better. Yeah. Alright, so this is what it looks like. There's an SD card in here. There's like back, quick settings, print file. In quick settings, you can like make everything go to its home position, like this. So right now it's going into the assigned home settings. So it's going to like the corresponding X, Y, and Z coordinates. And this is gonna take a long time. So if you notice, if I try to go back, it won't work, because as it's going down, you can't really do anything. Also, quick note about 3D printing: everything has to be level. Right now, the bed isn't really level. That's this thing. Yeah, it's not really level. So we have like sort of flawed prints. And speaking of prints, I'm gonna show you some of the designs I've printed so far. Alright, so now on to the showing process. So pretty much, this is the baby elephant. So it's very detailed, as you can see. It's one of my personal favorites, and made of PLA plastic. And next up we have the die, which not like die, because that would get me demonetized, and I don't want that. But yeah. So this is a die, which is like the singular form of dice, and yeah, it's got numbers on it instead of dots, and it's perfectly functional. Next up is the recliner sofa. I like this one, and I know it's a recliner because it's got like this thing here, and then yeah, that's the recliner sofa. Now, fourth one, the butterfly. Now, another one of my personal favorites. I really like the detail, all of the design, and yeah, it's pretty much your standard butterfly. Now, your fifth one is, well, let's just call it the headless swan. There was an incident with the 3D printing, because apparently it can't print downward. So, yeah, that happened. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty good. Yeah, And my final one, a guy from a movie. Comment down below who you think it is. But yeah, he's pretty good. Yeah. Alright, let's move on. Alright, so back to the butterfly. Now, the butterfly is a figure, right? 3D printed. On the back, it has these sort of funky looking designs. That's because it came off of this. Now, you can see the marks on it, and this is called a base. Now, a base is something that is used to prevent the whole thing from sticking. So it's easy to remove when you actually do it correctly. And pretty much the butterfly was sitting on it like this. And pretty much I just tried to pry it off and it worked. Now, getting this off of this, that is a different story. So, yeah, that's what bases are. I actually threw away all of my other bases, but yeah. Alright, so now it's time for the fun stuff. So, let's print one of these. Yep, let's print a die. So, I'm gonna print file. I gotta go all the way down to it's time for this die. Okay, so I'm going to click on that and it's gonna say printing. Oh wait, I forgot something. Now I have to preheat PLA. PLA is a type of plastic up here. It literally says that. But yeah, now you'll notice that it's gonna oh, sorry guys. Now we're gonna notice that the temperature is gonna gradually increase and increase until it hits 215 or 60 or 50 and 195, but it could be any one of those. And yeah, I'll see you guys when it's fully warmed up and we'll start printing. Alright, it's gonna start any minute now. Yep, it started moving. Right now you're not seeing anything, but it's gonna move in a minute. Like right now, it's raising right now. And so the base is gonna move forward. And this thing's gonna move there. Yeah, see? Into the center. And I'm gonna start printing something. This, now it's making the shape of the base. Okay? It's a circle. Now, I am going to leave this to you guys. What we gotta do is we gotta press this and quick settings, and you want to go down all the way to cool down and go back. Then we gotta check the temperature of the bed, which is 41.7, and that's actually not that hot. So, from here, I am going to shine my flashlight on this. So yeah, this is the dye, and this is the base. See that little black thing on the bottom? Yeah, that's the base that I was talking about earlier. So what I'm gonna do is somehow I'm gonna hold this, and then I am going to. Actually, I don't know if I can show you how I take it out, but usually I prime. But usually, this is what I do. Let me just position this right. Yeah. So usually what I do is I prime my fingers under and then find the weak spot and then I just pry it up. But yeah. I also use a piece from another base, and yeah. Okay guys, I've tried everything and it won't budge. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try and let it cool off, and I'll try again tomorrow morning. Yeah. But for you guys, it'll be the same day. So this is what I got off of the 3D printer. It's on the base right now. This is the base. Also, you can see these because, well, you know, taking off something off of a 3D printer it could damage the base, so yeah. Alright, so to take this off the base, I'm gonna show you how I took it off. So if I can just get this camera into focus, what I'm gonna do is let me just find a quick stand, a makeshift one. Maybe this. Okay. And I just take this off, so like this. So what we do is that we just pry the bottom bit off, like that. Okay. Oh wow, this one's tough. Oh wow. Okay. Ooh, what? Okay, so I took the base off, and yeah, this is what we got. A functional die. I rolled a 2. Okay, wait. This is what I got, and well, yeah. You guys saw the 3D printed process. So I'm going to have to break this up into 2 parts. So this is part 1. You're going to see that in the title. And just know next time I am going to show you how to make CAD models using Tinkercad. Tinkercad is the software that I use to make the 3D models. I'll also teach you how to use Cura to slice up the CAD model in order to send it into the 3D printer using G-code, which is the code that the 3D printer accepts. It turns out Cura works with IIIP, so it's an IIIP edition of Cura. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications to join the Electric Kingdom. See you later, and goodbye.